Hello everyone. I would like to share some laughter with you this afternoon. Um, it's currently raining where I am, um, but I'm not letting that stop me from getting out and enjoying nature and indeed laughing. It's a good reminder when life rains on us, we can still laugh. And yeah, laughter's such a good form of stress relief. It helps to flood the body with feelgood endorphins. It boosts our immune system, as well as amazing health benefits. Um, so yeah, I invite you to join in with me, and your body. It doesn't matter whether your laughter's fake or real. Your body's still getting the same health benefits. So yeah, feel free to join in with me. I'm just going to do a few minutes of free flow laughter to hopefully help shift some energy. If there's any stuck points within you, hopefully this will help. So, well, the birds are happy anyway. They're chirping along, so let's go for it. Okay. Let's take in a few deep breaths. Placing a hand on your heart and breathing into your heart space. Taking a moment to notice how you feel. Feel the weight of yourself against the ground. Support of the ground beneath you. Notice any sounds surrounding you. Feel the temperature of the air upon your skin. And slowly become aware of your surroundings again, the visual of what you can see. Thank you for joining me for a bit of laughter. I hope it perked you up a bit. And yeah, keep an eye out. I run different laughter yoga classes in Liverpool, and I also bring laughter into my one-on-one sessions as well. If you're interested in that. It's good medicine, it's good therapy. Alright, wishing you a good day or afternoon or whatever time of day this might have found you. Go well.